Okay.
Me teaching you how to make slime.
Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Gia.
Speaking.
I'm her niece,
Mm-hmm.
and she's my aunt. I'm 9. I'm in the 4th grade, and
And she loves slime.
yeah, slime is my favorite thing.
Can you tell? It's the day after Christmas. Yeah, it's like technically the day.
It's 3 a.m., so probably.
Yeah, so it's the day after Christmas, and all she asked for was
Slime.
slime supplies.
Slime, socks, and
glue.
clothes.
Yeah, socks, clothes. So yeah, let's get started. So what's the first step?
Okay, so the first step is,
I need to take my jewelry off.
so first step, I'm sorry, I wasn't prepared. There you go.
Spoon.
A spoon or a mixing utensil. Put in the glue. It would be really helpful if we had a clear bowl.
Think that's good now?
Yep. So, that's how much you want to put, or you don't really have to follow the exact things.
So it really doesn't matter. It's just
Yeah.
however big you want to make it. Or...
However big you want the slime to be, that's how much glue you put in.
Okay.
Okay, so I
And
still have a lot
activator?
of... Yeah. So, oh,
No?
food coloring.
Food
I
coloring.
forgot about that. Sorry, food coloring. I forgot about you. Okay. So, which should we do? So we have all of these colors. You can't even see them, but it's fine. So I think we should do blue. Wait, but then that's pink.
Yeah.
So let's be pink or deep pink or fuchsia.
Fuchsia?
Yeah, fuchsia. Alright, deep pink. Let's do deep pink.
Fuchsia?
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia?
Alright,
The deep pink?
yeah, we're going
Okay.
with the deep pink. Our table is a mess right now. Hopefully it doesn't get on me.
Don't get on me. Don't get on me.
That was in my stomach.
Are you hungry?
Dang it, I did it again. Alright, so we are gonna put some.
3, 4, 5.
So we put like 4 to 5 drops. And we're gonna see how it
it's
turns
a
out.
pretty pink. It's like bubblegum.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like looks like the bubblegum medicine, like the Pepto-Bismol.
The glitter. That looks so pretty. Okay, show them, show them, show them. That looks so pretty. Here, let me put some more. They can't.
Oh, there you go.
So we're putting a little bit at a time.
Oi, that was not.
That was a lot. But we need it, so.
Ew.
It's hard because we needed a lot of activator anyways because it's glue off, so let's just get all
I think you put a
that.
little too much, bro.
With shaving cream
Why am I not shaving cream?
because it's stringy. And shaving cream makes it all come together. So does activator, but like in a different way. So if you're using glue wall and your slime is like this, like all stringy, you hear it. calling shaving cream. Yeah, let's probably add some. And if your slime is like this, then maybe add some shaving cream. Just a little bit though. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we added the shaving cream. Oopsies. Because this is a pretty medium size. This is a close-up of the actual slime. And you could see the glitters in there. I think you could see it. I don't know, but it doesn't focus on the slime. But see, guys, it's like more stretchy. This is my first time making butter slime, but no, this is my... Oh wait, I've made butter slime a lot of times. Why am I... With Daiso clay. But with Model Magic, I've been doing it for a long time. But you can make a slime swirl. I love slime swirls. So now it's like really...
It is super stretchy.
I mean, I would put more clay, but you put it away. But it's fine. Because this is so cool. Okay, so what should we name this?
It's off of me.
Okay, next slime is... Oh my gosh. Ah.
That looks like a bumblebee.